Please review the safety instructions card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It explains the safety features of this aircraft, as well as the location and the operation of the exits and flotation devices. Your seat cushion serves as an approved flotation device. To remove it, lift up and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. After exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps or loops and hug the cushion to your chest.
We will be taxiing for a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. We will be taxiing for a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.